Edoya wabukia o wabedene. Itwedoya fe. Edoya doniro wakebe donirishi. Wabedene wabukia o wati wakuro wavia galadia. Wati edoya tota. Edoya tota na tore do. Okedo no. Ituwa ya ve ebo wi oba vambota dada wonuwaye wakoyo e madagwa na ya nwuna na ima funesi o emi mama se wana na oge paketu kakabo e madagwa na mari defio bi no kawe defio obodo to gbe era ayi ati emu emi no be na madagwa na Ayi yatiere. Ukano. Ayi yatiere don't do ya lo di yoko wa lawa. Odi yoko wa ila lawa na. Obi ma gba o ise. Obi ma gba ya o ise. Esu geze tinsi man kodi eke ise. Veni Jesu Christi ise. Wagadi enu no sa. Why, Sadira, Sadamo, Sadurio, no why. Who does you know Yagbon Kebay, Maburo, Mabuere? Who said the Nurian man, when Urian man, Ogi Babe, way you don't buy. Thank you, we can be the Buddha. Okay, but now when I tell them do dance, Abano would give me Kevin the Iowa in my ball. Give me Kevin the Iowa in my ball. Again, in my ball. Who would want to give? If I came back, I don't know where my shy away and not behind your daddy. We need Jesus Christ behind your daddy. Oh, one of you go until we have Kodagmo will do any 1 year. In Magawa and I get money, get me back. And you know one man of 1 year, though, 1 year, in winner. Even now, I know my ball, I'll get money. Getting money with him. Shambedo, Mata, Mahamo, Mahamo. Banya afian be na ya no ala oda o na ya nya gbona se Emmanuel be ni Jesus Christ no nya wa is Benisa kibogo mo kibogo to no ho is wa ya don ye re wa bo kia o wa ti ani ka ro ibota ogedo. This is the Edo gathering to share knowledge, to share wisdom, to share history. We welcome everyone. All the people are invited today. You are welcome. I apologize that we didn't start at 1 o'clock. We were here before 1 o'clock. But this computer did not work for us. We entered as usual, but it didn't turn out fine. We couldn't start. So I had to go call our technical crew, the producer, to come to my aid. So they came and used other browser, whatever they are called. That is why we are late. But we will still use 1 hour as usual. You are welcome. If you are hearing me, if you are seeing me, God bless you. I know I invited so many good people, even our friends from other countries, from Philippines and etc. God bless you for coming. And all our people, God bless you. So what we are doing now, we do it in Edo language and also in English language, so that people can understand, so that our own children can learn, so that everybody can share. I hope we are together. God bless you. Thank you. Ibota Edo. This is an evening gathering for Edo people. All right. Ibota Edo. Ibota Oredene. Ogisoni be igodo. Oko? Ogisoni be igodo. One Ibota Oredene. Ma so na onzo le vanongbera. Ima ina na kiana. Wahia tota o wamagana baba ya ota. O hedwa atana. Today's topic Today's topic is Ogiso dynasty in Igodo-Migodo. Ogiso dynasty in Igodo-Migodo. By this we mean the rulership, the kings who reigned, who ruled in Igodo-Migodo. Igodo-Migodo is the Edo country, Edo nation. Wahiyata radio, say Edo nation, Edo nation. Say Edo country, Edo country. Say Igodo-Migodo, Igodo-Migodo. Clap your hands. Akbobaya! In the whole of Nigeria, the whole of Africa, I'm here on my brother. Took my the pharaoh of Egypt. No! Igodo-Migodo. That's our home country. The center is now called Benin City. Thanks be to God. Igodo-Migodo, Ogiso dynasty, the dynasty of the kings that reigned in Igodo-Migodo. We started with the first. Today we are going to go to the sixth. We did the first, second, third, fourth, fifth the other day. Now we are going to the sixth, 7, 8, 9. Stay with us. Stay with us. Ogiso. Now we're starting now. Ogiso. Where are we? Ogiso Ewabo. Yes. Ogiso Ewabo. Ogiso Ewabo. He reigned in 414 to 432 CE, Christian era. That is Ogiso Ewabo. That's when he reigned. Look at the date of his life, of his rulership, of the Igodo-Migodo. He was the sixth Ogiso of Igodo-Migodo. The sixth ruler, the sixth, number 6. We already did 5. He was the sixth Ogiso of Igodo-Migodo. He was very old when he was made Ogiso. Hey! So we told you the other day that the oldest man in Igodo-Migodo was made the ruler because there was a confusion earlier on. So they chose to use the oldest man, who is usually a wise man, to be the ruler. So the one before this was Igido, was the oldest man. Now we come to another old man. It's Ewabo. He was very old when he was made Ogiso. We are not told exactly how old he was. But then we are told when he passed on. When he died, he was at the age of 110 years. Oh! That shows he was really, really old. See the number of years he ruled. 1414 to 1432 to 432. 414 to 432. How many years in there? 414 to 424 to, so it's about 10 plus 18. 18 years he ruled. He passed on at the age of 110. Oh, he was really, really old. Ogiso Ewabo. Ogiso Ewabo gupo non di Ogiso gae. Gae be ne bogbon. Wa udaga ya. Ogiso no ge ha. Ya Ogiso no ge ha. Makati send o. Ogiso no ka. Ogiso no wa oka o di Ogiso Igodo. Ana do si Ogiso ana do mi Ogiso yanwi. Ogiso ai Ogiso oye na ana do mi Ogiso oku. Ogiso Orira. Ana do mi Ogiso Odia. Ana do mi Ogiso Igido. Na Ogiso Ewabo, Ogiso Egbe. Ogiso Ewabo, Ogiso Egbe. Wait. Okay, yo Ogiso no ge ha. No ge ha. Yo jo we no man. Ege nana ya Ogiso o ma ge. Ana ti ojo we no man. Wa ya taberi o edo. Du wa gwaze do. What taberi o. Audio we no man. The beta audio we no man. Ha ha. Bamia. Ukpa. 18. Varabugi oya wo giso. Pe varabugi o giso. Ofiya be ukpo igbe oyanya iyisan. Ori to. Ona do ukpo igbe oyanya yisan 110. Oh my god. Ya fiya. When kata mwadelio, edi wana de o my nega ni ukokoni ansi na we amu yunu oya tan so to. Aya mwere yo toto wudo egbo ogi so egbo yen ga si o papo bona ogi so egbo bu what up wa pe o ariadu bona wa pe o wa mi ojo wa no ki o ma wa itu na dobo awa don wo flag di ko to na o we wa pe o o we ko wa to pe aya wa pe ka o wa pe wa gbon ono ogi so no gi han oga be adi obi. Let's move on to the next. The next Ogiso, watch it. Ogiso Ogbede. Okay? This is a common name. Ogiso Ogbede. Look at what they read. 432 to 447 Christian era. Ogiso Ogbede. You see it? All right. It was the seventh Ogiso of what? Igodo. Seventh Ogiso of Igodo. You see it? It was from Ugbagwe quarters of Benin. Ugbagwe quarters of Benin. How many of us know Ugbagwe? It's in the center of Benin City now. Ugbagwe. When you get to that area of Benin City, you will really know that they have been there for a long time. And I get to. He was from that quarters. He was a proud king. Amen. He was a proud king. In other words, he knew who he was, and he didn't want to be belittled in anything. They called it the proud ego. I mean, the proud ego. He passed on a day of ceremony. He passed on. He died. You say, Pastor, I used the word died just now. I now remember that we do not, in a Joe history, we don't use the word died for kings. No. I apologize. He passed on. It was in transition. He transited to eternity. He transited to eternity. On a day of ceremony. There was a ceremony that day. I don't know what ceremony it was though. But he passed on that day, the day of ceremony. You do well, you don't use Iowa. Okay, so by day. You know, 432 to 447. 432 to 442, that's 10. Then to 45, 15 years. 15 years he reigned as Ogiso in Igodo. Oh! He was Ogiso, Nyora Ogiso, Nogie, Ihion. Ogiso Nogie Ihion. Right? Ogiso Gbade. Oko, Obie Ugbagwe no. Ugbagwe, but this way to ba. Again, now you go to Bigodo. Don't know why I ye. No, why young Bagwe, Abama Bagwe. Do one Bagwe, your brother do what you want Bagwe. I just said do. Ivano, what you know, we are ye. But don't we know. Okay, no, you ain't walking. Oh! oge no yo owa be yan bu yan oge na gele wa oge mata oge no yo egba le sekeseke egba le ngebi ke no mo na ba wa yo awa be yan o arriba yan riba edugie ofija edugie ofija me ma oge no wa ki o so pon oge an adu de edugie ofija ki bo ipa ya gba ni ka o ira do wa de edugie ofija hi edo we opodan you see ga yo wa odi ogbe ogiso ogbe de obobo ogiso ogbe de let's go on. There's another one. The next one is Ogiso Emehe. Watch it. Ogiso Emehe. It was Ogiso from 447 to 466 Christian era. Ogiso Emehe. He was the 8th Ogiso of Igodo. The 8th Ogiso of Igodo. So he reigned for how many years? 47 to 66. 47 to 57, that's 10. 57 to 67, that's 20. 19 years. 19 years. Was the 8th Ogiso. Then he was one of Edo's greatest diviners. Edo's greatest diviners. You see it? So this Ogiso was of Jonwe, but is one of Edo's greatest diviners. Who is a diviner? Who is a diviner? A diviner is somebody who has the endowment, who has the spiritual gifts of telling something that other people do not see. They play oracle, and in that oracle, they are able to interpret what other people do not know. What is behind the scene? What is the cause of this problem that people are going through? That's a diviner. It's a divine ministry. This man was one of the greatest Edo diviners. He was an oraculist from the Emehe quarters of Benin. Was an oraculist from the Emehe quarters of Benin. Where is the Emehe quarters of Benin? Does anybody know? Emehe quarters of Benin. I don't know it myself. Who knows the Emehe quarters of Benin? Tell us about Emehe quarters. That's where he came from. He was an oraculist. Was a young way, but he could divine. He could play oracle and tell you what is what. It's a spiritual gift that God gives to some people, not to everybody. That's Ogiso Emehe. Torí sọ pé Ogiso Emehe inú pò náà yá yìí ó náà yá yẹ Ogiso pọ́pá rẹ́bùgì yá di Ogiso Emehe kó yan Ogiso n'oge migodo Ogiso n'oge migodo bọ́ọ̀lù sọ pé ọjọ́ ìwé náà o. Ọdún wo ọdún hu Ogiso n'oge usu ọbọ Edo n'ọsẹ ẹyìn ẹ̀rọ akin usu ọbọ Edo n'ọsẹ ẹyìn ẹ̀rọ akin àmì ọbọ n'ọbú ògùn ganyà akin I'm your bio. I'm your be wawa. I'm your big wega. Usombo no say redo eyin ga aki. Do no bo. Bo o obogu na ami owu da ho. Ami obo no wu na won. Dege eko gama eko woma. Una wu Oboda webe, ona mo yuku, oda wodu won we won ekodote we wo ni odo fure. Oni obodo wukun. Ugbanso wo wukun ni eko ni no jagawe ni odo gbele kodo rokwa. Ya nene kokwa. Otiku. Ere banari bieka. Kwa nene otiku. Edi wa no gboko. Odo ma no mo we no mo ogiri anne no ko ni kwabe otiku. Oko no kamme no manware. Do wada ho. Na mi a wan lawo dawo na wo dawo. Ama me no manwa. O si oko don re ekwo mu. Azam fi oko ye ko we ama me no manwa. Iba no manwa. Ubo no manwa na yari iba e. Wanyari iba e wuda pobo. Ugbo so we ma me apobo eye ti we tata obo we mo se. Tata no ri iba e obo we mo se. O we mo bo we ga mo obo we mo se. O are mo se o manwa. Abi bi oko so ro de so ru wi so ratata boni. E wona yari iba e. Emi ni do ya odo ya shodole gbe weko. Odo oko no do agage moy o agage ko we ko gagin e ko gagin e ko agele agage e do bi e man so ni wan o ya call le beso o call le beso odo man we da man he o sa me yo man o sa me yo aidosion o shen do mu yoku gbe sa be ri o mekere yo de nede no me kina gya won o mu no mo won o mo e won boy won ede agba ko wera ko o di otiku ya na otiku na ndege na de otiku na ya na ni oko ido la dia wo ni sa be so okay hai ne e so ebu bo e ya wun e so ko so no mo e mo ga ne e so ya wun e so wa wu e so ya wun no e ye we owu na wo nu ka me nta be ne do ga e kedana na ne ye gelo de aga e otiku Oge yoko giliro so ye wuno. Nundu kun ni edion ni man obo no wukun. Owe. Ekeli makede ore o. O said the man do ayazi yo ma wa la o da o. O said the man do ayagwa tagbe. Ekeli makede ore. So ba we ni ma ro e ma na ro na. Wa gi ma bu saro bo o kan o. Na mo egbe dan do level 1 yi are se bo 1 wo di eke obodo ukun ni o saro bo wa di etin na no ya ukun e na gbofo eyi en ma popo na pope ovo ki gbofo o sio wa wo di eke gbe edo agbere wo de no saro ba di etin no wa ni no ya ukun no ga ma ai pon saro bo yo e na gbofo eyi Evi ke no so agbade no wa ami wa na na mi no so agbade na evi ke no so agbade no wa ai agogo yo apon so bo yo ai na gbofo yo de tin no gbugba luma de tin na agbo no na ya fie no apon so bo yo dogun menwa no apon so bo yo do e kina do no apon so bo yo do e benatie no apon so bo yo wa mi gbofo fo ai tam wa mi gbofo fo wa mu fo fo e tam wa le ni Jesu Christi do mi saro bo wa mo vo fo edo we na mi obo no wukun e ja mi obo ore ha ogwa afia o itemi no re ede emi no si eni mi so na di dago yi emi gege di dago yi Obo Ogwega na fie or I tin tie oilele we na no we no ke no lele o de gbe mwegbe o mwegbe ogo oye gwara o bandere eta ma ba o na o ri ai o evio o anodo fi ade o vio na o wo don ha bo na bo vio yo bo emi na ga yu o gwa bra toy emi we di o radmona o salogba oro salogba we o we ye na ya ri yo bo na gbon we you o dedan na ya popa gbon o mu di ako salogba o ni obo ogwega oga na Joanna ojo we na nede obo ogwega yen ra obo we yo obo ogwega ori idun emehe boy ogiso emehe obo ogwega yen ra ori idun emehe uso bo no say ore du yen ra ada ho aya fi me we o no we bishop we the we don't fear where obo do not aya fi me we iwe obo nanze usalo boari active radio no na gbo ogun gan no ami ambo no ukun na won abele mi ambo no lo fi ogwega no we temi no ewi no ri no ru we mi no si evi radio obo ogwega no mu ogwega gbe o iran to Really, that's I don't have a talk about ma be wo awi ma be so be ebona be one. To ma no ya do lagbon you salo ba begin yan. No be ya agbon salo ba be begin yan. We yin bodu ye bo o go salo ba no o re su no. Ai fe ko. To pon salo ba na re ti no wa ko ma no ya we mi kemi agbo fo e yo e metana. Age ke ko e yo, age gbo fo e yo. Age pupe yo age zo we bai kun da emi ke mi ugun e so ba ya yo ma or yuru ne so ne asi won be uru na or you eti ne so ne ya pe gion or eti ne so ne ya gbo fi gbo wegbo or eti ne so ne ya du ki be ki rokusa ugun e ma ya kin no working e ukin apomo salo boyo agbovo yo ogiso emehi obu ega no osun bu not say already. Let's move on. The neck and my other we are dealing with 4 today. This is the 4th one now. Ogiso ekpigo. This looks funny, but it's very gratifying. Ogiso ekpigo. He reigned from 466 to 482 Christian era. He was the 9th Ogiso of Igodomigodo. The 9th, number 9 of Ogiso Igodomigodo. The ruler of Igodomigodo of the Edo nation. Ogiso Ekpigo. The 9th Ogiso of Igodomigodo. He was money lender. A what? Businessman. He was money lender. Before he became king, this gentleman, this old man, was a money lender. Before he became king. So he was a big, shrewd businessman. A money lender to people. So when he became king, it worked well for him. The king is the one lending money. So that people may borrow and do some business. That's a double blessing for Edo people, right? Was a money lender. He was heartless and merciless in money matters. He was heartless and merciless in money matters. He was lending money to people. After he lent money to people, they got to pay. Of course, yes. But if they don't pay, he will go after you. He will go after people who misuse his money. When he lend money to people, he is supposed to get interest back, right? But some people will not pay the interest. Some people will try to be smart. Whatever it was. So this Ogiso, Odenwe, he would not listen to any excuse. When it came to money matters, he was merciless and heartless. He would drag the individual to the greatest length. We know such a man in literature. You all remember? You all remember the Merchant of Venice? You all remember the Merchant of Venice? Remember his name? What's his name? The Merchant of Venice. So when he loaned money to people, but he expected them to pay back and to pay with interest. And when people failed to pay, he did what? Oh no, he dragged them to court so they will pay him. Nowadays, we know that this is the method of business nowadays. But in those days, people were challenging people to be kind and to be generous. You know what I mean? After they borrow money from you, they expect you to be kind and to be generous and not to get all the money back. Or even if you get the money back, they expect to take the capital and go away and forget about the interest. Nowadays, can you do that? No. But in those days, people tried people. They tried the range of people and the patience of people. The patience of money lenders. And they expected them to let them go away with the interest. Shylock is the name of that man. Shylock was the Merchant of Venice. So we have a story about that. So one time it came that the man came and he didn't want to pay. So Shylock dragged him to court. He dragged the man to court and asked the man to pay. But the man said he didn't have the money to pay. But Shylock would not listen. Shylock asked him to pay. So there was what do you call that thing? There was you business people help me out. There was a promissory note which they wrote that the man will pay what he borrowed. But if he didn't pay what he borrowed, they wrote it down that Shylock will cut a pound of flesh from anywhere he likes in the man's body. That was to put some fear so that the man will pay. Because some people were not paying properly. So Shylock now put that clause in the agreement. That if he didn't pay, Shylock will cut a pound of flesh from any part of his body. A pound of flesh could be from the buttocks, could be from his arm. And the man signed it, yes. It was one of those people, those naive people who say, nothing will happen. If I don't pay, what's he going to do? What's he going to do? He said, you cut a pound of flesh. Where will you cut a pound of flesh? Better. So Shylock said, So he took the man to court. And they brought out the agreement. He told the judge, this man doesn't want to pay. And he said, is there any agreement? He said, yes. He brought out the agreement. And he showed that actually the man signed that if he didn't pay what he owed, what he borrowed, he would. Shylock will be allowed to cut a pound of flesh, 1 pound, not ounces, 1 pound of flesh from his body. So Shylock said it was his day. So this man didn't pay what he borrowed. They brought him out so that he would cut a pound of flesh. But the only thing is that there was a saving grace, and it came from the wisdom of the judge. And the judge said, Shylock, you have a right to cut a pound of flesh from this poor man. But when you cut the pound of flesh, you cannot shed blood. You're only entitled to a pound of flesh. That you can cut. But don't shed blood. You know, blood is life, right? Okay, after you cut a pound of flesh, and blood is dripping and dripping and dripping and flowing, the man will die, right? He will die. So the judge said, you can cut your pound of flesh, but don't shed blood. No one drop of blood should drop on the floor, because that is not a part of the charter. Oh! Oh! You are allowed to cut a pound of flesh, but you are not allowed to shed blood, because look at the paper. The shedding of blood is not a part of the charter. So Shylock put down his face. He couldn't cut the pound of flesh, because there was no way he would cut a pound of flesh without shedding blood. There's a big lesson there. Even though you have right to do and undo, you got to be careful, because you might overdo what you can do. And when you overdo what you can do, nemesis will wait. You got to be careful. We cannot use all the power that we have. The greatest man is not the man that can win a city. It's the person that can save a soul. Even though he has the power, but he will not use it. That is the strongest man. Shylock had the power and he wanted to use it. But wisdom, the wisdom of the judge told him, you can use it, but be careful not to overstep your bounds. There is always a bound for everybody. So this old man, he was heartless and merciless, because people they will try to be smart. They will try to borrow money from him and not pay. His name was like Money Bag. His name was like Money Bag. What is Money Bag? Ekpigo. Ekpigo is a Benin word. It means money bag. So he was acting like his name. He was Ogiso Ekpigo. Ogiso Money Bag. We like people who can work hard and make money and help people with it. But while we are doing it, we should do it in a godly manner, because God owns the whole world and the fullness thereof. The world and they that dwell therein. There is a limit to the exhibition and the operation of materialism. Riches that is not geared toward God will end on earth. But riches that recognizes God will survive till eternity. And only what we do in the name of God shall last. I commend all business people But take a lesson from here. You can be strict, you can be firm, but don't be merciless or heartless. Because every good gift cometh from above. Enegwi ma wo na no kicking brother. Ogiso ekpigo. Ogiso ekpigo. Gẹ́gẹ́ ya di ogiso. Upe opara ujo yi ran keba. Ya di ogiso mi godo. Yo! Ogiso no gie ihin. Eye ga kin o. Ogiso no gie ihin. 9, number 9. Ogi ihin. Ma mi owo, mana mi eva. Mana mi ogiso no gie ha. Mana mi ogiso no gie de. No gie se. Mana mi ogiso no gie ha. Mana mi ogiso no gie ihin yo. Mana mi ogiso no gie Ona ye ogiso no gie ihin. Re ogiso ekpigo. Abechi o ekpigo wa. O pe ni na. O pe ni no yen gele na go o wa we go alwego. Who the hell? Ogiso no gie ihin. Ayigo gaga. Igisu na momo. Ogiso ekpigo. Ayigo gaga no. Igisu na momo. Yen kedo ki ogiso. Yen yigo gaga ne. Obe amu no wa momo. Igisu. Ọbụ na mọmọ ya ya doki ogige arodori ga na o we swere igisu da no ma igisu abi yima so we mu igisu ni ya doki we do ari won tata bowo we do o mi ebo igo no ya swere ori go na igo no mọmọ o de ye na o na bo no ya swere o be de bai Igisu. Ogiso na yen no wan ga akin. Yen ga amigo na bo ya momo na yen kedo ki ogiso. Mami, ebi va yen yi medio. Ogiso ogie. Na be aye. Ogie no nya go no be yigo no be migo no ma momo. Ebi o pe mi no kwa ni wa akin. O so ba yo ni wedo, o yo ni fiangbedo. Hi ayigo gaga. Ejigoku. Ejigoge omaro. Ye wage o. Ejigoku. Ejigoge omaro. Hi. Ejo wa no. Igo de mono wa momo ni ejaku. Uya do wo ya mu go ya o ya di ere. Gege level ya. Well, you should on all the air by it. Whether I go there, where you go, well, okay, or dig back from my hand. No, you're swearable. Would I do one would dig up, but so don't move to the way or mammy is here. Oh, go ta. Oh, yeah, da. Okay, so that you go cool. You go, wow. Again, ma I get baby radio away. Ye, eki and ya. The neck away. Okay, kena mana do me away. Eri boyagbe. Em go no momo. Where do I take Biakabiano? Eri mano. I ta me na good ya. Where you go ye. Mami go high. Now when you swear, we are swearing. Igo na asu igisu na asu igo ekiabe ya do. They are my dweki. We get me igo ya momo. O ma ni be dweki ona do ahun en we na do mi momo. Ogiso na yen dweki ne yen ego ne yen mu na wa momo ne na sure ekedo wa ogiso. To ga ogiso na do mi go. Ama we get bo do mu. Wa da ho edo. Ofene. Omo na momo ne Topa o esegbenu do hasa. Eya ku ye. Eyi gogo wan o. Bedun ta ere awe. Odanado yi mari o kapa ore o wapa o me go pa na te Shylock. Ben Mathieu be o wiwe e Shylock. Ba wa te o Shylock. O mu iwo ne wa momo. Na ya doki na ya bo wa na ya ona. Abe bebe yo we egewe na de ku ya no do pe ekusen no e pe va no o ya hasana. Mu wo ni re obe de oyi su bai. Opiani na te Shylock na. Ona wa ba we gbe mi na ogiso na wa be wu. Eyi gogo wa o. Ah, do se de dario. Omu go no pa momo ya gbebe yo. Ege dan go de omu go de re gbebe yo. Dago mai mi go mu re. Ebi na awu ana be gbon yo. Kun da bo e mana gbon na do mi ewe he mana gbon. Ya fie ebeleku. Ya mo mi go ne ya bo wa. Gbeso ya de imo to gbeso ya were mi kemi. We ni ado hasa ya show we wo to. Gbeso ya do ha igo na ni amomo. Na we na ya swere ya do atoka na me o se agba o we ye de yan agba o uhun agba o we ede we iya agbona do mi we ibeleku eyin afi yan ho ni hasa yan akwe hasa yan ha de aswere yan woti an afien o ogana na te Shylock na o ge bana gbon yan afien o ona igben yo we o ma ko no ma asa no lo momo ona o even was no ike abe gbon bai de bobe we e dia we wa ya mo mi go be o babaza na ti an we no te even no ya asa do ma asa even amu sue egene de aya fo oporu gbokoru so wani ya ha so poru ni egene de aya gbe ewe so wani agbe so wani ya ha se wini ogo gada na te Shylock agbebe o igbebe na we o ma ha sa ni ya fie unwa okpa ni ate pound unwa okpa be ke ni na ti mi egbe ni fie ifun orunwa okpa ni fie ayo ni mu ha yo mo da ma no ga do fie ifun ekebe no o boy no we no unwa okpa ogege do asa na do fie ifun we gbi ayo ni mu ha yo o pepe na do aro na do mo mi go agbon yo be rio yẹn náà jẹ kwa ó kọ ẹ náà ọjà sẹkọọ tí ẹ máa ha ọdọ fi hàn ìfún ọgbà ìbú yẹn dẹkẹ ọdún kí ayé ọmọ mi rọpá sunu oge dán èmi sunu gbàgbọ́n náà ìjánu nya ọmọlámọ ẹsẹ èmi sunu níbi orí wàá mìíràn wà. Ẹnu wo ni we don degbe aduzala we na duza umi enwa amere mi ato amere mi ego amere mi amo amere mi wa amere mi moto amere mi ni keni uwe re pasunu ebi sunu gbe igo no pedi momo ma Shylock na we kian ona kwe ona mona chezo na chezo biku ana na mori olapa eke no ri yo lapa miemo gele be na mi olapa gbori ami olapa yimi edo wada ho be na mi olapa agbon iri ami olapa yimi e ba so mu hun lapa agbon eyan ma yo lapa yimi ro we police mi o lapa o we de kire police o we gbe police or I was setting the police. Not your luck, baby, setting. Well, I want. I feel cool. Ola pe mi ega mu wa o. Yes. Ola pe mi ega mu ma o. Yes. Kwani ma asa. E Sherlock na mu adiko. Ai mo si ko na wo ma atibe ni aga e na gbon ni. Awo ma asa idol film fun ohun apa. Ala wo ba. Do fian. Ala di opia na no ya fian. Umenwa. Obo ye na ka we opa yi no fun won pa we no fian o. Ama we no dai sagen. Ege sagen na no yoto. Runda esagin amagun yebe we die esagin na de Sherlock mu pia men mo bere ifu man je fia runda men obo yen kai adario o mai fifu ni na agwaligoli no ha gege ayi fia ifu ba fia ifu o kan da sage o kan gbe o kan wuyo na yun kyo e o ti atewi no awe no hia wo o feko no ya atewi no setin wu no ya atewi no setin wu o ti anyanya o feko e ya anyanya tewi no ya setin ze no ya tin high ida mi o kan if don't go on, they don't see me on the other. So, when you go near your high, go plan. Near to win the air, I believe, my buy. If you can't, I don't wear. Salute bossy, maybe, eh? No, Dark Bedamu, we don't know Feco, Otonan or the way, you know. Salute by ye. Oh, yeah, maybe, eh, yeah. I move you, so quick. Ayi bele kuri agbon wa ogi so pe go ayi go ba o eniyan owe mai unda e pe wo ati yen eniyan na we mai we na he ni la idogelela e pe wo ogele na go ayi go ku ibadi ma ta se na edo akuyo waja no re nwa ihunu waji ere yuware na kata agwale na ya ri yubo na edo mena bishop agawa emwe oguga me gbowedo na we oguga na meho na ya ri yubo ni bi edo no gwale yubo ewana me nwina ewana se na kidodo na we ya ri yubo ni ya me nwina I man na ya me nwina ebi ke bi no my hold on we I ya man my hasa yo man so si my be hasa yo don ya we ni okay wife o ade ebi na ya nwina ebi na no we ni my do my view na ebi eva e maka ma o wana me nwina o na kinodo o ade no do o e me na ado e kini he o ade no do o e na we na ni he o be wena ebi na ya win na ni my do view na o gbe so ebi na ya do kina do ni my do view na ere ai be we ni se edo na wa no ma ipe gbe na obi so si ma pa na ore do o na we do ona we e ba ke ma no ho no we ni ati vulcanizer wa ni dole itaya yi no de ni e ma yen ki na ma asa owo he na wa mai o ba ke ma no ho no we gbedin e wa no semi awi le me no semi no gbegwe no de na mai ogo he e ba ke ma no we no we imoto da dolo yi na te diesel engine So don't want to my ogo he. Edo, ekedo sa ekedo na o. Wa vie do re. Vie do ne kwa. Vie do ne ku. That Miami. All of us. If you came in my whole nowhere. Aha. Aga iwo ede, if you came in ya win na ya win na ya gbekini. Ma ne so si ma no redo ma do elemini ai vio no mani. Yi wa I think we I think so do bua no dazi ma ga we ma ka be we na. Okpo uki no gi hiyan. Gbede yin na jubo no gbera na ma we be do. Ari mama emi ari ni ma we je we edadio. Egi ami wo mata mo tun. Egi ami wo mata mo ruan. Egi ami wo mata mo sewe. Wa ya ta mi ya fe we ni aga de. Ma Miami. Ya aga de do ba na mi ma he. Edo ba be don. Ai ti Ghana. Ogyo he no kwa. Omo amadasu. Ati eboku na. Oka mo wa ke no na do ba yan ave uselu. Ke de so si ma yi uselu. Abi wa ni aga. Wa ge gbon yeto. Bye. Well, if you gear na we bank maybe we dian maybe kida ya uri o wan re. I asa yo eri go no wa ko ma. Eri na wata na ya fe ikobu we ro. Wa mi ono wo don ri go re udu taban no kama ka wani. Bi so si ma we gbe re o. Ma we no ma gba, ma gbe ni o ko, ma mo bowo. Wala wa ge o. I'm just reminding us that Bishop Agawa ministry is training people, those who have no job, those who have no work, those who have no trade. We are training people. Look at it. To be whatever they want to be. We train people vocationally, and then we endow them. Look at it. Bishop Ayawa ministry. You can donate for it if you want to. If you cannot, well, we cry unto God to give us money to do it. Yes. After we have trained them, people who have no work, unemployed, train them in whatever they want to be. After that, we will endow them. Endow them means we will buy all the things they need, whatever they need to start their business, to start their trade, to carry on with their lives. We will give them. Whatever it is. We have done it before. On July 24 this year, we did it in Beniti. There were 9 people that we trained and we endowed them. There is another opportunity now. You may carry this news. Write it down. If anybody, any young man or woman want to learn vulcanizing, we have a place for him or her to learn. Doesn't have to pay anything. We have a businessman in our church who will train the person in vulcanizing. The same thing with welding. Anybody want to learn welding? Go and learn welding. And then anybody want to learn diesel engine mechanics? Go and learn diesel engine mechanics for free. You won't pay a penny. All of our people who want to learn anything, go to our church and we will train you. And after we train you, we will give you the equipment to learn. After this, nobody should talk about being unemployed, no work, no employed. We shut up your mouth and look at it now. Use your opportunity. Whether you have been to university, whether you have been to college of education, whether you have been to polytechnic, whether you have been to trade school, whether you're a high school diploma, whether you're a primary school diploma, look, the opportunity is at your door. And stop talking about unemployment. Go and meet Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. Look at his telephone number. Write it down. Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. This is a phone number. Go and meet him. and tell him that I told you on this program to come. Anybody. And after you do that, please, you take the same message to me on this program so that I can know you send somebody to Dr. Amadasu. On December 18, we are going to do an endowment ceremony. All people that we have trained between July and December 18, we will endow them with whatever they need to do the job they learned. You hear this? Do you hear this? I'm asking you. Do you hear this? Do you hear this? Nobody should talk about unemployment anymore because his opportunity open for all. Write this down. Take a picture of it. And if you send somebody, send the name to me. Pray for us. Make a donation if you can. Write us some letters of commendation if you can. If you do not, it's okay. We are doing God's work. Don't stand on our way. Don't make it impossible. Because this is God's business. But that's what you mean. Whatever you go to have your area doa. You have Dr. Amadasu or Musarubwa. Joanna, Ibeleku, Erekinoye. Nakoko, you bonendo. Nedobe guapa. If you have a guapa, you have a guapa. I have a parode. If you have a guapa, then winner. No man, yes, Zukufu, don't Yawahade. Now, my winner. I'm giving no Yawuna. I'm giving no Yabeki. Eto don't like me who know well. Eto na me who know well. Ekadafia who know fiao. Ubona begile no. Elike no Didaki no Rubofion. Adenia. Edo Kayuma ho. Even so, we don't have to say we don't want to be attached. We don't have go get say. Even say we here, Mama. Odo ran no yata. We are not there. You don't hear Mama. You the can that on Mama. Oh honey, how? Oh honey, how? Edo. Wa viabore. Na maya winner. Wa viabore. Na maya winner. Na maya kinado. Even na your bow. Don't you university can man your way at it. If both way, I can't go my wall. Who feco, August Salubana Hill. August Salubana Hill. Toa Manema is no yaw Salubua. You know, when man went out of your boy, oh, weather. Taking my way with all. La Hoff young Benima, go work with them. If you do my marry your bona, I'll get the beaver. Yendo mawo mama inwina la we get gbeba ge won ota wewe ota ni yeke ofo igbovo no riabo la bie ya yodere e ma ni mwekia bie ya yodere be ni Jesus Christ gi mami adogba no gi unana mi adogba no iyo boda ma ho na ri na do ge won ge mi adogba no salobwa no lodwa be ni Jesus Christ be ni Jesus Christ be ni Jesus Christ do mi salobwa is aga ko mo kan aro wo kan Mano, Jesus, no get do it, Tomo, no get do it, ma. Jesus Christ, no is Salobo, it's go by wine or red dog, I told you, Pevocate. And then I'm ma, oh, your poem, Duki, oh, by Lobo, about top by you, is awakening a day Wednesday. Those are no one on dinner. Why are you going where I go, Salobo? Salobo, with the young winner. Young winner. It's not even at All Saints Christian Assembly or Ruselu, wherever at Uhuron, over there when I tell Igwe, All Saints Christian Assembly. A web America, I came Wegbo. So about get money, man. So she know any way. A way we are the bar, then you know, my your way. Then you know, my your way, don't the bar, now cocoa with number. You go, my ass, you know. Me wa ho e ma so wa te igi go ya no na igi go ya no abo he ya na go ade nia mama yin na go I ma ya ri go nu we Ade ni mama no wego ima ari yobo no we ari yobo no we ari yobo no we ari yobo no twen ari yobo no ruan ari yobo no biebo we ari yobo no biotu we ari yobo no 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 we ade na ri yobo no we ade na ri yobo no we do my honya o honya ade na ri yobo no we ari eso si ma ru se lu ori yeke egwada kenwa Possible wedding wool gualovo. Oh, bueno, or tweno, or say bueno, goyo. The Tomadas one away. Not get Jerry by me. If Baba woo, my ass will cook with an Miami. My wife gave me go no, my wife gave me came on. Oh, my man, I'm a Miami. My we go there. My Jimmy. Oh, you don't want to carry where you, Yamma, your mamma, your man. Oh, one year or more, every young buy. Aka mama mi na ngo gele we mi ni we mi lo pa abi mi nu u ka wo e na de we ka we mechanic ade ni ma de ge gele ka wo e de we ka gbe to ade ni ma de ge go gwa gbe to iya afi meme we ria o afi e we ria ohun na emi ya ohun ba e iye me ka ba me we mi ya bo ba e o be na we when I wear my lana, and my wound was I o. I will know when na. Do my way, I get me go nowhere. I me go to one. Even I win, I'm of your one. There, you do, even why I do kidney, I'm a woman. I better know your caddy. There to the men, a pelle I met only any man the last your one. I walk my way you saw it. And I'll be Yokowa. There's a imata you know go on. Oh, I'm money do. Like how he said, he said. Even so, we are holding a bit. You go your bad. The Mauna, talk about Shambu on video. Talk about Shambu on video. May your photo. Yeah, Yoku one photo. The Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry. Investing in human lives. Investing in human lives. No, no, the Yoboyo. Why are the Yoboyo here? Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry website. They put a website. Go. You wanna allow. Donate. You can only go ye or river. You can only go ye or river. Okay. A bank account. Come on, the boy, I go yo. If I know you go to my affair, my guy, my ladiana, I go to it. I papa may ask one, I can mupo. I papa may you ask one. No, well, my photo. No, only yo. Or you can both you, or you can partner with yo. No, ya tontonre. The man know about bookies and it cost us about $5,000. No, ya the yobo now in but I video. I am Miami and Macon by Naya de Madagua, but the Madagua. You can't even hear that one and why I gave now who lay. I don't mind my mind. I'm more than one. Who young gay, who the gay, even now. Even of Fieka, Avievin, Agbada Kenya. Even to the men Avievin. Even of Eka, always teaching at a teaching, and Beka any. Even I wear my view in here. And I've in a Sayegbe, or in a Sayegbe, no we and say no win a Sayegbe, I have your any. Yeah. Why would it tie? There one what I don't know, we don't tear a wokum. Now with your gun in the Kaiban. Dr. Mandasu. My hat to my. It's not to a wow. It's not to a wow. Do you do my do the event? Do my different no? My year Begum, Adiana, one me a Kilmanamina. Okay, even a boom where here, they can such a man you do. When I tie, now the boom making out, can such a man you do. When you say now, the say, I have more than the other way. All Saints Christian Assembly. Oh, you 20 years of sin. Oh, but Timba. Oh, Ubu Siluba. Yeka Guadakan. Ale ki Selu. Kinwara this old Denny. I want like Bella. Ekin Secretariat. Secretariat Ugbo. Ego. Wale yani wale ke le kenian se olupo don ri yeki abala o wa me so sini o wa ke kanado ma ebe ke na do ma mo to da ma mi go ya do to ma mi go ya bo de don ri go yoro no ri yo be e da ta na me so si ma o we da ya na ri yo bo do wa na gbon ma e me ma ti e be so si o wa ke kan na e do palo. Why make a bebuwa? I'm with somebody yo. Ofumegbe. Number 4 of Ofumegbe Street. Number 4 of Ofumegbe Street. Behind Omo Benson Street. The Guadaken. Number 4 of Ofumegbe Street. Behind Omo Benson. Off Omo Benson. The Guadaken. Mama is setting Besosi. There one of my god on only you boy, you Besosi. Bonima. Mama is a doctor. We know Salabana when I'm going to Yobon, if you Salobua, Okoda, one me mother. You go get it in me, yo, oh, Salabano, oh, Salabano, oh, Salabano. If we don't have Mangunana, oh, Salabama way. Oh, that can be there, nobody pay yeha, Nigga when you know Salabana. This is my 56 years in the gospel ministry. Ik ben zijn hoekje en jas van. Als ik denk je van de school ik kan doen la we when you go hè. Do ari yo boyo. Sorry ba me fian buwe. Mama mi o to na, ama e be te do to na abeso yi. Ama we ta yan bo. E do ya wa hen ni ta na. No ari yo boyo we no di yo. De wa na motor di man yo we the motor di man ma abeso yi. No guma bo beso ni aro, we don't guma beso yi aro. No we guma boy. Man ma mu mi ego e magwalo. Man ma mu dollar gun yi. No ba ari yo bona e magwalo. Why is so si bani? Whether I call me, I'm where hospital. Ego no have the boss you could my high. Yes, sir. Agaya. The money gave us in the resources. Ya can buy a subuku. At your Taliban does it. I think Jesus Christ that come bugwe. But bona ebe I married not do you but not bon. No Salabana, my ye call yeti yawe. O Salaba pass your nima. Or a tomu or a one. Baby Jesus Christ is they were now a Mudana West Iron Ba, Salaba here and Hildere. We need Jesus Christ. A do or do not who. Then is the donor have resolve our resources will do. Oh, it's only man now, Ususe. There. I thank all of you who came to do. Those of you who don't understand the Do language, I thank you for coming. I have shown you many things. I have shown you that we are not for play. We are trying to train people in different vocations. If you have people who can learn vulcanizing and welding and diesel engine mechanics, bring them to us. We will train them for free. And others mean any kind of job. And there's an NGO in Benin there that can train people in anything they want to train in, whether in farming or in bakery or in hairdressing or in barbing or in confectionery, whatever. We, our church, will pay for that training. I repeat, if you are not heard, let me say it again. If you bring people who are jobless, who are unemployed, to us, and they are willing to learn anything, we will send them to the training, and we will pay for it, for the training. We have done it before, and we are still doing it, and we will continue to do it. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I hear that people complain that when they go to church, they're asking for money. They're asking for money. Okay. Now we are not asking you for money. We are asking you to come that we may give you help. We may give you help. We may help you. Bring your brother or sister or friend or neighbor or colleague. Whether you are a university graduate, whether you are a high school graduate, whether you are a college of education graduate, whether you are a polytechnic graduate, whether you are a primary school graduate, come and tell us what you want to learn. So we send you to the NGO to train you in what you want to learn. You want to learn farming or hairdressing or carpentry or baking or whatever. We will send you. You won't pay for it. We will pay for it. After we have trained you, on December 18, we want to gather all the people we have trained and we want to endow them with whatever they need to do the business that they have trained for. We will buy it and give to them. We will spend our money. All these tax and offering we are collecting. The one we are collecting in America here, we'll go and join it to the one they are collecting in Benin and use them to buy the things that you need to start your personal business for you. We are not asking you to pay back. We are not asking you to pay back. Let me say it again. We will use it to buy things and give you for your own life. Go and start your business. Go and start your trade. We are not asking you to bring the money back. It's between you and God. If you utilize it, it's between you and God. We are talking in the name of God, the God of heaven. If anybody asks you to bring money, don't listen. Nobody will even ask you to bring money anyway. All these things, how do we connect? You connect by going to meet. Go and meet Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. Look at him. Take a picture of it. Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. He's getting old. He's a man of God. Yes. Look at his telephone number. Call him. He will tell you where to come, where the church is. Call him. You have 5 pastors. They will tell you where the church is. There's a small church in Uselu, Benin City. There's a small church in Uhurong. It's a village. Not too far from Benin, Use. Uhurong. There's a new one starting in Igwikpe, very close to Use. Get in touch with Reverend Dr. Amadasun. Anybody you send to him, send his name to me, so I will know we are working together. This is an opportunity. Don't let the opportunity go by. Train somebody, whether it's your relative or your co-worker child, or it doesn't matter. It's God's own people. I hear people complaining that the all churches, they're always asking for money. They're always collecting our money. They're always collecting for money. And the reverend, the pastors, they are using the money. They're buying cars. They're building houses. Okay. That is for you. Today, we are telling you come to this church, All Saints Christian Assembly International. We will train you. We will give you money. We'll give you equipment. We won't give you money. We'll give you the equipment you need to start your life. If you don't go training, if you don't pass through any training we send you to, we won't give you any equipment. Don't go and lie and tell a lie and say they didn't give you anything. If you don't go through the training, we will not give you any equipment. It's either or. Don't change my words. You are all welcome. I thank you all for coming today. All the people are invited. I can see we have 14 people on the screen. Thank God. God bless you. Anyone want to help us, you are free to join. You are free to help us. You are free to help us. We have a website. Go to the website and you will see us there and donate. We have a website. I don't have a bank account number to give you, but we have a website. Look at it. Bishop Stephen Agawa Ministry. Look at the website. Look at it. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it. And go to that website and donate. There's a mechanism for donating there. The money will not come to me. It will go to that account. If you want to help us in any way, we don't have a land to build our church yet. We have not built a church yet. If you have land to give to us, donate. And we will accept it and we will thank God for you. If you want to build a church for us, you want to help to build a church, donate. If you want to donate 100 blocks or 1,000 blocks, do so to do God's work on this earth. This is the time. You and I, we are co-laborers together with God. Here is a man of God now who wants to work for God. Stop complaining about churches. Stop complaining about pastors. Stop complaining about pastors. Stop talking about pastors. Stop talking about pastors. Here is something now that you can do. We are not asking you for anything. We are telling you we will do. A church will do this for you. A church will train you. A church will endow you. A church will empower you. A church will train you. A church will help you. Now, this is the time for the church to help you. Stop talking about church collecting money. Stop. We are willing to help. The church is willing to help you now. You come, bring the children, Edo people, bring your children so that we can train them. I want to be saying this thing every day. I've said it before, I'll say it again today, not every day, because I'm tired of begging people. I wouldn't wear it and I'm not wearing. Nama 20, Nama wearing, not you would and I gave me there. There you go. I gave no young and there. They can win half yan, a can agbada and Africa, Nayad and Nalon Africa, if you move your more, Africa, a Kuyan Africa, Umogun and Arroy. I delay have you then. I never know your or Manuel. Ogele Mane. Am I with us? Am I with us? I do. Why have any time? Been a time I was almost sending my need Jesus Christ. He said, but we are doing Babado, but we do, or we know what do. You are Badon what do, or we tend do, or we will do. Or we will do, or we will do. Or we can do Wednesday. The wicked, what did your mother bagadi? Give my buyo, now there you ma. El Tadi, Kara, El Vovo Baragbe, or Jaco Kuna Kube. Not a woman. Mamma, what's he doing? Good day, you what's he doing? Look who they give you the war. Was come on, but I won't take you do. If you have better money. Well, I didn't cook Deledoy. I wish it may be young, a little tired of Deledoy. He may tire a bed on the baby tire or get the cocoa Deledoy. A cocoa Deledoy. Do my me, I go alone, don't gay. You babu wasu, ye benig ben wasu. Yeah, Mata one another ya wasu. It I be with you, sir. So I don't get money, ma. Sir. Yet the way I don't know what boom bill your salubwa. Bella TV, Wesse, Antonia Tadenia, Aribe Wesse, Festus Susaro Wesse. Yo, Queen Beatrice Akenowa. We say who you are me. Obiasoge Kingsley who you are me. Who you are me. I mean, not only affair yeah with me. Antonia Antania who you are me. If you do any abua, what we say. Oh, Bella Page, who am I? Who am I? Okay, who am I? What bon? Oh, who you are me? So about before one row, Bella. Who you? So the madam, yeah, what's over here, man? Yeah, if you go with you, if you go with you, who's that? No, then I my lad, now we had the yeah, we go who get up by yourself without. Yeah, I my lad, now the Kuyo, Justin Charles, Kuyo, we man. And Obukian, Kuyo, retired and bully, who you are me. Oh, Leo, he side 7-0, Kuyo, oh, Archbishop Beckett, oh, man, na Yonika, oh, Junior Daniel, Obukian, Kuyo, Patience Pat. Oh, we any me watana we so market near do. Do not there no. Patience Pat. Do not there we me new sister. Eri agwan ga na da o. Do go gbona. Do not there no. Antonia Adigbe. Oh, ana fi osaze o honba koyo. Glory yamu. Oh, we baku. Wa ma wa gbon. Junior Daniel baku. Constance Ayabu Ubaku, yo wano. Joel Luther, Imae Dege Weda o Joel Luther, who am Awagbon. Yo, Richard Ambulele. Yo, Christian Igbinaduwa, Koyo Christian Igbinaduwa, Obukian, na wire na lagari ari. Oh, ari Igbinaduwa. In the Magit, Obukian, we in the Mangit, Obukia. Joel Luther, Obukia. Oh, Dambulele, Waka, Obukia, a day Wednesday. Who you are me, or Shambu Wamio, again, Wamu, Waya, de Nadoya Bebu, no do it, Tontonre, Salabari, or on what? It's we need Jesus Christ over Salabua. It's among Manaya, my wife. It's Ekena na we ina na be na gban yin na wa we ma do abe dion wa abe dede no re do wa we ma ya ki wa be ti ma ya fe abe ye e telephone la o abe ye la o na abe ye computer la o ma do ta won pa o you keep watching these things and show it to people. They use this to enter and watch anything you want to watch. If we have my yawana, or say, yeha no yanya yisen eva. We have about 260 videos in this place. About 260 videos in this place. Go and watch it. You don't pay anything to watch it. Please, go and be watching it. Show it to people to be watching it. Whether you are driving or you are at home, you are eating, or go and be watching it. If you are in a meeting before the meeting starts, watch some. After the meeting, watch more. They are very interesting. They but I do. We do. But why going to talk? Why here my team? Why have why here? Why gay? Are you go gay? Why be moto gay? Why do why gay? Why live by gay? Why ko attention ko ugay agege ave dikofuna why you begin okay wala wa be agay why gi ma hu na kwa so do boy gi ma hu na kwa Salaba ya gima won kwa is Christian Bernardo wa me no gbare o Salaba de bawe. Ebi ya wa we ma we dia. Uyo Salaba. No dan re na go yo. Okay, the Wednesday. Ma we ade ma do we wo ba yo ga me wa ibude o Salaba. Obi an ya do faguwa ya ro edu anu kwa wa ri ga me wa ya go Salaba. Obi an ya do awe foto na ma yi bo be amu ye foto. Wa we amu ye foto wa we amu ma ebi wa ke betun wa. Oge do na o. Sabade bawa. Akende ya baba.